Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spacers on the Field channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about how to choose wheel spacers for aftermarket wheel. Let's go. Installing wheel spacers can provide a bit more additional clearance so you could slope spare issues. When it comes to the vehicles that mold larger tires, wheel spacers are also useful. This is because of where the new tires you install are larger than the stock tires, that's causing some spare problems. In this situation, you should use wheel spacers to help them fit in the right place. The BONOSS Lightweight Plus wheel spacer is further upgraded and optimized for weight based on the common wheel spacer. We call it Lightweight Plus under the premise of ensuring safety and reliability. It effectively reduces weight and energy consumption, thus improves control performance and achieves a balance between high performance and environmental protection. The hollow design makes the whole spacer lighter while ensuring safety. Compared with the previous product before the upgrade, the weight is reduced by about 20% on average, and the lightweight effect is more direct. Although Lightweight Plus costs an additional increase in production cost. For a better customer experience, we have assumed this cost and maintained the same price as the previous product before the upgrade. To get the BONOSS BMW wheel spacers, please make sure to see your link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day!